Welcome to the Sunterra Outdoors family of barbecue smokers and grills. Uncrating and assembling your new smoker is easy with a few basic tools. To uncrate your smoker, all you need to do is remove a few screws. Next, cut the strapping and remove the loose parts and set them aside for final assembly. We'll start with the smokestack, thread the bolts, and secure with provided washers and nuts. Hang the no-hassle grease cup from the hook. Push the thermometer through the pre-drilled hole and secure with a nut. Remove the hinge pin on the firebox door. Put the door in place and reinstall the hinge pin. Finish seating the pin with a mallet. Install the removable work shelf along with the charcoal and cooking grates, and you are ready to cook. Sunterra shares your passion for outdoor cooking. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality barbecue product that caters to the demands of discriminating culinary individuals and professionals. Welcome to the Sunterra family.